Part 1. The argument.
Hey, why didn't you call me last night?
I was busy with work. I'm sorry.
You always say that. I feel like you don't care.
That's not true. I do care about you.
Then why don't you show it more often?
I'm trying my best. Work has been really stressful.
I understand, but I need more attention from you.
I know, and I'm sorry. I'll try to do better.
It's not just about trying. I need to see some changes.
Okay. I'll make more time for us. I promise.
I hope so. I don't want to feel neglected.
You won't. I'll make sure of it.
Part 2. Making up.
Can we talk about what happened yesterday?
Yes, I think we should.
I didn't mean to get so upset. I just miss you.
I miss you too. I'm sorry for not being there.
I know work is important, but so is our relationship.
You're right. I'll balance things better.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
I love you, and I don't want to lose you.
I love you too. Let's work on this together.
Agreed. We'll make it work.
Part 3. Moving forward.
How about we plan a weekend getaway?
That sounds perfect. Where should we go?
Maybe the beach. We could relax and spend time together.
I love that idea. Let's do it.
Great. I'll start looking for places to stay.
I'll handle the travel arrangements.
This will be so much fun.
I can't wait. It's just what we need.
Part 4. The proposal.
This weekend has been amazing.
It really has. I'm so happy we're here.
There's something I want to ask you.
What is it?
Will you marry me?
Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, I will.
I'm so happy. I love you so much.
I love you too. This is the best day ever.
Part 5. Planning the wedding.
We need to start planning our wedding.
Yes, we do. Where should we start?
Let's pick a date first.
How about next summer?
That sounds perfect. We have plenty of time to plan.
We need to choose a venue too.
I was thinking about a garden wedding.
I love that idea. It's so romantic.
Let's visit some places this weekend.
Great.
We'll find the perfect spot.
Part 6. The wedding day.
I can't believe today is our wedding day.
I know, I'm so excited and a little nervous.
Everything looks beautiful. It's just like we imagined.
Yes, it is. I'm so happy we're here together.
Are you ready to start our new life together?
Absolutely. I can't wait to be your spouse.
Let's go get married.
Let's do it.
Part 7. Happily ever after.
Our wedding was perfect.
It really was. I'm so happy.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Me too. We're going to have an amazing life together.
Let's always remember to communicate and support each other.
Agreed. We'll face everything together.
I love you so much.
I love you too, forever and always.